you can hear that. No? Baby? That's our newest addition. She just hatched. She just hatched. She's not even, I mean, she's dry, but barely. Can I get her out, though, is the question. Oh, I can feel it. There she be. Come here, baby. I'm being mean and bullying you around. I want to show you off. There she is. There she is. There she is. She just hatched today. She's a hybrid between Petunia and Red Boy. You've been paying attention, but there she is. Just hatched today. So, put her back in there so she can get warm. There you go. Little baby bird.